Lisa is wearing, well, you have yourself to thank, because this was a customer request where you wanted an apron, that had a pocket and that had a towel, and Temp-tations listened, and here it is.
Yeah.
And this, you're getting a set of 2. These are on clearance at $21.99. So, I mean, an incredible deal. They're 100% cotton, and you're getting 2 for $10.99 each. So let's take a look.
Sure.
Let's take a look at the colours.
Okay. 2 different ones. This is the only apron that we have where we sell 2 different patterns, which I think is so much fun. We are retiring this, so aprons are beloved by all of you because you get it. It actually is amazing. So this is going to be this is our plaid, our harvest plaid. And then over here, we have our classic harvest. I believe that's what it's called.
Yes, harvest mix.
Harvest mix. Got it. So you're getting both of these, and then I'll go through the details after we kind of go through the colors.
Then next, this is the Merry Chef and plaid. So you've got the plaid on, and then this is the Merry Chef.
Yeah. So look at this right here, the Merry Chefs. You've been seeing this theme throughout the show, right? If you love a theme, don't miss out on this one. So you're getting this adorable one, and then you're getting the plaid, which I think is so much fun. And then, I mean, every season accounted for here. I love this.
Buffetti friends.
Buffetti friends. Maybe you pick this up in the spoon rest. How fun would it be when your people coming over, you're going to get this one that has our mummy, our Esmeralda, our cat. We have Marshmallow, our ghost, and we have Lil Witch. And then look at this one, our Buffetti.
Oh.
Stunning.
That's great. I mean, that one's almost like a costume.
It's so pretty. It looks great with the black carved willow. If you love Halloween, I love the fact that you can now have an apron that will coordinate. Now, let's talk about the functionality, okay? So first of all, one size fits most. That's what I love about it. Up here, it literally has, you can see, look, a really long tail. So whether you're petite, whether you're tall, this will fit everyone. Also in the back, you'll see my mic packs, but it's a really nice big string in the back as well. The tie, I could bring it around to the front if I wanted. It is 100% cotton. The bottom has the most darling ruffle right there that, by the way, it always stays like this. Like, look how gorgeous that ruffle is. And here's what I love about it. It comes with a microfiber thirsty towel. Because how many times are you looking for a towel or you're going like this? Now you can go like this on a towel. This towel is removable. There are literally buttons right here. So I can take this off and just wash the towel if I need it. And I love the fact that if you're buying this and you're like, I'm not going to wear that color right now, use the towel right now, okay?
Yeah.
So this is, you get the idea. This is completely removable. And a pocket. I'm a pocket person.
Oh, me too. I'm an apron person and a pocket person. Even if I'm just cooking for myself.
Because I do too.
Yeah,
all the time.
I don't feel like I'm cooking until I put my apron on, and it has to have a pocket, and yeah.
It kind of makes you feel like you're like on the Food Network, doesn't it?
Exactly.
Kind of like that.
Just like everything we've seen from Temp-tations sets you up for success, this is about, you know, having the right tool for the job.
That's exactly right.
And what I love about being able to remove the towel is sometimes, you know, if you're bringing food to the table, you want to look like the chef, but you don't necessarily want all the...
Hey, you look official, right?
Yeah, exactly. But you can take that off. So all of the spills and the wipes and the, you know,
I know.
So you can come out just wearing the apron that looks, you know, flawless, like you didn't spill a thing.
There's something about it. You get this home, and on our social pages, people just flood our social pages with how much they love this, how much it becomes a part of their outfit. Like they pick their outfit out because they match back. We're not bringing this one back. So if there's a pattern that you love, don't miss out, because you know the thing about our towels and aprons, we bring out new patterns every year. So if you're loving this one, it won't be back next year.
Okay, let's just have a quick reminder of colours again. And this is on clearance, $21.99. Think about that, the fact that you're getting 2 100% cotton aprons for that price. So you could actually keep one for $10.99 and put one in your gift closet for $10.99, especially if you know someone who's got a birthday around fall or Halloween, or, you know. So this one is the harvest mix. So you're getting your pumpkins, and then you're also getting your plaid.
I love
the orange plaid.
We mix the plaids, and then you get the full pumpkin right there. So you decide which one you want to wear, and they coordinate, which is also so much fun.
Yeah, especially if you're a couple, or maybe you both want to wear them. That could be really fun. Then this one is the Merry Chef and plaid.
So this one that I'm wearing, and then look at this Merry Chef. Like, you're so right. If you have grandchildren, if you have young children, every year they're going to say, Grandma, are you going to wear that adorable little apron? I just think it's so sweet. And then, oh, come on. Look how sweet this is.
Sorry, I was trying to make you jump. But yes, this is the Buffetti Friends. There's so much storytelling in this and so much personality.
Yes.
You know, and remember 2 aprons. So that's just one of them. And the other one is a little bit more dramatic.
I actually love this one. This is the one. Look at this.
You could just throw on a witch's hat and some boots and be ready to.
It could be your costume.
Fly off
I
on your
totally agree with
broomstick,
you. And let's forget, it's not just an apron. You're getting a towel. So for under $22, you're getting 2 aprons, 2 towels with a pocket, machine washable, and when you wash it, just hang it to dry. So just take the kind of little loop at the top, I hang it over a door, and I'm good to go. Hang it on a hanger. But I'm telling you, this is a game changer in the kitchen.
Yeah, it really is, because, I mean, having this, you know, attached to your apron so that you can always be wiping your hands. You're not getting through loads of paper towels or using the cloth that you were just picking up something hot with, and then, you always have that cloth to hand. And actually, if you ever see any good server, any good bartender, they'll always usually have, you know, a towel out the back of their apron. So, you know, it sets you up to look the part, as we were saying.
To look the part. You don't have to worry about a size. It fits everybody. I was laughing because I came down at Christmas. My son had one of these on. He's tall. He's like 6'3". It was so funny. And I was like, he's like, I love these aprons, Mom.
Which one did he have on? I want to know, Lisa.
This one.
Oh, we need photo evidence.
See,
of this.
I think it's actually so sweet, right? So the thing is, the thing about an apron and the reason it's essential is because what you're actually doing is you're saving your clothing underneath, right? Things are going to spill. Things are going to splatter. You're always looking for a towel. Tara's thought of everything. Everything you need now is right here. You want to carry your phone, your recipe. You're like me, lipstick, no problem. You have a pocket right here. And again, really easy, because if you only get this dirty, you don't have to wash the whole apron, right? It detaches with those great little buttons right there. So it's amazing.
I mean, you know, this isn't an apron that just came from Temp-tations. This came from you and your request. It's on clearance. It's a phenomenal price, the fact that you're getting 2 cotton aprons for this price. So give us a call, 800-500-7590. Clearance means we are down to final quantities. Once it's gone, we won't be reordering. So don't miss out on having your favourite characters and having your favourite aprons. Ideal to have in that gift closet, but also to gift yourself, so that when it gets around to that season and you're pulling out, you know, maybe the Halloween stuff, you're like, oh, I completely forgot I bought this.
That's so fun, isn't it?
Yes. 800-500-7590, K97672 is your item number on that one. This is the Now You're Cooking Day here on QVC2, which means